Hello everyone, I'm Vasavi. Now our project is about a secure searchable encryption framework for privacy critical cloud storage services. Um, in the verifiable and multi-keyword searchable attribute-based encryption scheme, data owners can encrypt their data with access policy for security consideration and encrypt keywords to obtain keyword index for privacy keyword search. And data users can search interesting keyword on keywords indexes by keyword search trapdoor. However, many existing searchable encryption schemes only support single keyword search, and most of the existing attribute based encryption schemes have high computational costs at user client. These problems significantly limit the application of attribute based searchable encryption schemes in practice. And the proposed scheme here, the multi-keyword can be searched and the search privacy is protected. That is, the cloud server can search the multi-keyword with keyword search trapdoor, but it does not know any information about the keyword searched. With the development of cloud computing, many of the information can be shared through computer networks. The cloud server can provide users with a variety of services such as outsourcing, commission calculations, and data storage. Users can store their large amounts of data to the CS and share with other users. So my friend Srinivas is going to discuss about proposed and existing system in this project.
Yeah. Thank you, Vasavi, for the brief introduction. Now I'm going to discuss between the difference between the existing and the proposed system. So in the existing system, they have used the ABE schemes, which is known as attribute based encryption. By using the attribute based encryption, uh, the main disadvantage is if the cloud consists of the cloud may consist of lot many files. So if a user tries to retrieve a particular file, he needs to go through all those files, so it will become difficult for the user to find a particular file which he wants to download it or he wants to use it. And also, uh, by using the ABE encryption, this technique also has the applications in the privacy critical cloud storage services, where user needs to store their sensitive data on the remote services which preserve their privacies. So uh, so for the proposed system, we have used the verified and multi keyword searchable attribute based encryption for the storing of the data in the cloud. In By using this, if we can use the multi keyword searchable technique, like if let's say if we take example of as a college, if the all the data is stored in the cloud, so if you want to search for a particular course, we can use like multiple keys, like we can use as the course name, or also we can use the course id as the search keys. So by using these, we can retrieve the data from the cloud very easily, and the cloud server can search the multi keywords with the keyword search trapdoor, but it does not know any information about the keywords which you have searched. And coming to the use case diagrams, so the so there are a number of users in our system where one of user let's say we have a cloud and user and the cloud proxy server and attribute authority and also the data owner. Here the owner gonna upload files to the cloud, and he can also view the uploaded files, and he can also view the transactions which were made by the cloud or attribute authorities. He can register first one need to register for the data owner, and he can log in, and he can also upload the files into the cloud, and he can also view the uploaded files. So whenever there it comes to a new user, first he need to register with the cloud, and then he can log in into the his portal, and he can then request for the search key. By requesting the search key, he can the request will be sent to the cloud proxy server. From the cloud proxy server, if he approves the approval for the user. He can view the files and he can also download the files, and also he can the user can also use multi keywords for retrieving the files from the cloud. And the cloud proxy server role is to permit the files, and he needs to send the files to the cloud. He can be he can also view all the permitted files in the cloud. Next will be continued by Manish.
Thank you, Srinivas. Hello, everyone. This is Manisha Ballam. I'm going to explain about software requirements, advantages and disadvantages of the existing and the proposed system. So, coming to the software requirements, in this we use Windows 10 version, and the technology is Java 8 and J2EE. And coming to the scripting languages, we use HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. And we use the NetBeans IDE, and the server is Tomcat server. And the database we use for this is MySQL. And coming to the disadvantages of the existing system, so to the best of our knowledge, there is no single DSSE scheme in this, and which outperforms all the other alternatives, like in terms of search, update, delay, storage, efficiency, and functionality. And so most of the existing systems only provide like theoretical part of asymptomatic analysis, and in few cases a prototype implementation will be there. So there is a lack of experimental performance evaluations on real platforms. So it is difficult in assessing these applications, and practically the DSSC proposed schemes impacts the security vulnerability and hidden computation costs. And there will be issue of the multi-round communication delay, and storage flow of mine might be overlooked. And most of the DSSC schemes are efficient, vulnerable to the file injection attacks, which have been shown easily conducted even for the semi-honest adversary in practice, and especially in the personal email scenario. So although several forward secure DSSC schemes with an optimal asymptomatic complexity have been proposed, so they incur between either high delay due to the public key operations, or significantly to the storage flow of operations. So both client and server side, they are able to meet the actual need of real systems in practice, and that is still unclear. And coming to the advantages of the proposed system, it is highly secure against file injection attacks. So, and it can update with improved features. It is fully parallelizable, and it has a detailed experimental evaluation with an open source framework. Yeah, thank you. My friend Chenna will continue the rest.
Thank you, Manisha. Here in implementation, we have created a user interface with some attributes like user, data owner, attribute authority, cloud proxy server, cloud OKGSP. In this, the user is one of the modules should register with the application. The user should be authorized by the cloud. The data owner should register with the application. The owner should be authorized by the cloud. Here, the owner can perform the following actions such as upload files, view uploading files, view my profile, view search transaction, and this. And coming to the attribute authority can directly log in with the application, and the attribute authority performs the operations like view permitted files to the cloud, send current time files to proxy, view waiting files, and that's it. And coming to the cloud proxy server, here the cloud proxy server can directly log in with the application, and the cloud proxy server performs the operations like permit files and send it to the cloud. In the cloud, all the data will be stored. And coming to the OK GSP, it is also can access the home page directly and perform some actions like search key request, view file request. And my friend Raman will continue the next one.
So coming to working demo of our project, this is the home page we have created, and this is the UI part which we have created using HTML, and these are the some logins for home, and we have created an abstract in the home page, so everyone can understand what is the abstract of our project. And coming to user, if a user want to download one particular file from the cloud, he has to register first in the cloud. So by clicking here, he can register with the following details, and after registration he has to log in with his credentials, like we have created a sample of credentials before. So user can log it successfully, and here user can see like request search key, view files, search based multi keyword, request for download permissions, downloaded files he can see. So if he want to download some particular file, he can go to request for download permissions, and he can enter data owner name and a file name. So here data owner is a particular person where he upload the file into cloud. So first coming to data owner, here is the data owner page, and as a user same he has to register in the cloud, and he has to log in with these credentials. So we have created some sample credentials for data owner also. So I'm logging with the credentials. So firstly the data owner will upload the files here. So as example, I will upload one file as a data owner. I am uploading my doc sample file. So after uploading, it will show what is the content in this file also. So we can assign the time, like date range from 12th to 26th only it will available like that. So we have to give the file name also. So we have to encrypt this and upload it. So file uploaded successfully. So after data owner uploading the file into cloud, the attribute authority has to approve that file. So there is some credentials for this particular people. So we have login into this authority. So authority login successful. So here we can see like view permitted files to cloud. So the status is no. So the present document is not uploaded into cloud, which is requested, which is uploaded by Srinivan. So we have to approve the file into cloud. So send to proxy we have clicked, so it has uploaded into cloud, so we can see the status as permitted. So after attribute authority accepts the file permission, cloud proxy server should also approve, because so cloud proxy server has to log in, and after attribute authority accepts the request by data owner, the proxy should make available to the users to download the files. So here the cloud proxy should send to the cloud also. So clicking here no, and this is also permitted at present. So now user can download the file by logging in with these credentials. So now we can request for download permissions. Data owner name is Rini1 as a sample, and file name is mydoc.txt. So we have to send request sent successfully. So if a user want to download some particular file, he has to enter this both data and request. So now OKGSP has to approve that request. OKGSP. So OKGSP has login and he has to he here we can see view file request, view search key request. So I have requested one file, so he has to approve this. So download permission successfully. He approved it. So now we can again log in into user interface. And now we can download it directly by owner name is Srini1 and file name is mydoc.txt, and we have clicked download, so it will show the content also and download. So here we can see the file is downloaded. So this is the way we have created the web application. Like the user gets the user has to get the permission for downloading from the OKGSP, and after file uploading to the cloud from data owner, attribute authority and proxy server has to approve it. So this is the main working demo of our project, and it will the main motto is like user system should not be hacked or any corrupted file should not be uploaded by data owner. So these two uh, things can be avoided by creating this attribute authority request and the encryption for cloud proxy server. So the whole thing is using the HTML pages for everything, like cloud proxy, data owner, OKG, and upload files. We have created everything with uh, HTML, and we have connected it to database. So everything. So if you click the verifiables and data owner, who are the data owners logged in, we can see here. So Srini is the data owner. So if you want to see the users, who are the users I have created. So this is the one of the user I have created. So here are the transactions we have done, like uploading, requesting, searching, everything he can be seen here. So this is the main working demo of our project. And coming to the conclusion, my friend Channa will conclude the of our project. So
Thank you, Raman. Coming to the conclusion, as said by my friend Raman, the main motto of this project is to provide a secure files to the user. So, because of nowadays, everyone is creating a website easily. Some hackers uploading the files into that public website. In that case, user who are downloading the files in the system is getting hacked. Because of this, we have created a website with security. While someone needs to upload a files, the attribute authority should approve it, and cloud proxy server will permit the files to the user. In this case, the files will be more secure. Security will have a more security. So this is how the user will download the files securely without any problems. This is our main motto. Yeah, thank you.